30 March 1968. Bravo Company, 26th Marine Regiment, 5th Marine Division launches an attack toward the location of the ambush that claimed so many of their comrades on 25 February. Following a rolling barrage fired by 9 artillery batteries, the Marine attack advances through 2 People's Army of Vietnam trench lines, but the Marines failed to locate the remains of the men of the ambush patrol. However, the Marines claim 115 PAVN KIA. At 0800 the following day, Operation Scotland is officially terminated. Operational control of the Khe Sanh area is handed over to the U.S. Army's 1st Air Cavalry Division for the duration of Operation Pegasus. As far as total PAVN casualties are concerned, 1,602 bodies are counted, 7 prisoners are taken, and 2 soldiers defected to Allied forces during the operation. American intelligence estimates that between 10,000 and 15,000 PAVN troops are KIA during the operation, equating to up to 90% of the attacking 17,200-man PAVN force. The PAVN acknowledged 2,500 men KIA, and they also report 1,436 wounded before mid-March, of which 484 men returned to their units, while 396 are sent up to the Ho Chi Minh Trail to hospitals in the north. The fighting at Khe Sanh is so volatile that the Joint Chiefs and Military Assistance Command Vietnam commanders are uncertain that the base can be held by the Marines. In the United States, the media following the battle draws comparisons with the 1954 Battle of Dien Bien Phu, which proves disastrous for the French. Nevertheless, according to journalist Tom Johnson, President Lyndon Johnson is determined that the Khe Sanh would not be an American Dien Bien Phu, and he subsequently orders the U.S. military to hold the Khe Sanh at all costs. As a result, B-52 arc light strikes originating in Guam, Okinawa, and Thailand bomb the jungles surrounding the Khe Sanh into stubble fields, and Khe Sanh becomes a major news headline coming out of Vietnam in late March 1968. As always, stay safe, stay salty, Semper Fi, and carry on.